All right, you better country people. How now day? This now Wazobia TV, your TV, and this beautiful, beautiful sunny day. We dey live for the city of Muson. Now you go ask me what in carry us come here. Like I tell you before, that the 12th annual lecture and the theme of this lecture. For now, we need to go inside, make we chook here, make we hear everything they go for inside there. You need to follow me. Now come out your eye for Wazobia TV. Oh yeah, make we go.
We can replicate in all the local governments of this country in partnership with other NGOs and other organizations to take care of the different areas that need to be taken care of to ensure that every child of ours in this country has the full chance to achieve its full developmental potential.
I'd like to compliment her for the work. It's fascinating what she has done. The group of women that gather to work with her, I spent one day talking with them in Benin about a year or two ago. And my spirit was lifted, and I thank her for the work she has done.
I would just like to again recognize some other distinguished personalities who walked in.
Let me welcome the chairman on the water to Lagos, second time.
Now all of us get work to do. Government gets your own work, private person gets your own work. You see, if we no comot poverty for our country, we self we no poor, we no go sleep well. Now one night go take sleep. If we look the thing like that, apart from say we are human beings to look after our own human people, then we know we have to do work. Government own is to make sure say education for the pikin is correct, because person where you educate well, where you teach how to do handwork well, you go find work. You know, for this our country, nobody they do handwork, we no get job. So if we teach those ones how then go do proper handwork, then poverty will go begin fight poverty. Then government job, how pikin go they feed, how hospital go they work for them. Because today when poor man sick, either he die or he go borrow money where no fit pay for ever and ever.
Like our governorship aspirant, Jimmy Agbajo said, he said education basically is all that we need to get the poorest of the poor out of that.
You know, for 10,000 naira, if you give poor man something to do for work, in life go change. So some of us, where they take 10,000 naira, drink one bottle of brandy or one bottle of whiskey.
Anywhere where you they do business, even where you they sell for road, make you know say around you get people where life still never good for them.
When you don't get knowledge, I think say there is nothing you can do.
A pikin where they go school, pikin where go school, where no chop, no fit learn anything. But then say for 50,000 naira for 1 year, you feed pikin for school for 1 year.
If you they sell food, for instance, it get people where they go school, where they say for how they never even see anything chop. You fit even if not one person where you they help, tomorrow, next tomorrow, you no go forget you.
Governance at every level is so important that we're able to take care of the poor. Whether you are at the poorest level or you are at the level, so long as you're poor.
Basically, education is very, very, very important and essential.
When you do something way good, it's hard to stop her. If you do them well, you do them, say the way where you do them, like say, nobody say the person waiting for government, they chop the money. Because now say I want chop money, you don't chop your own, myself won't chop my own, I ain't that they take change thing. But if something they way good, it hard make government say no do. If you say you begin to give pikin food for school, how government go say no give food again? It hard.
All right, better country people. Now don't hear everything where we get to talk about the 21st annual lecture where Center for Values in Leadership don't do. Now I hope we say government, individuals, and even organizations, all of us go join hand. Make sure say not be chopping up for money, be our priority. Not be make a balance well, then be our priority. But we want to make our poor people, make their lives transform, make them say we help somebody to help somebody. On top of this one, me, I sign out. Chico KK, Wazobia TV. Peace.